All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. So today we got a really quick video on how to modify a cooler to make the ice last a whole lot longer. We'll show you how to do that next. Okay, so we went to our local big box store and we picked up this Igloo Overland 72 cooler. This is a blow molded cooler. It's not one of the hard shell ones that you see from some of the popular brands. This is moderately priced at about $110. And one of the things we noticed that we really liked about the cooler was the thickness. And so it is about an inch to an inch and a half thick all around, and it actually has insulation top and bottom. So we know it's actually going to work very, very well. And when you look at the product brochure, it actually states that the ice is going to withhold for 3 days. So I think we can actually make it last even longer than that and probably get close to the same length of time as you would if you had one of the big name brand coolers that are thermal molded. And so here's how we're going to do it. We're going to install a gasket right around the edge here. And I'm going to show you how to do that. And you can see that there's a lip on the top of the cooler that whenever it closes, that lip actually sits right inside the channel. So what we've done is we've picked up some premium rubber self-sticking weather seal. This particular weather seal is 1/4 inch thick and it's 5/16 inch wide. You can see that it's a D shape, and that's going to fit perfectly in our gap here. So when we close it, it will create an airtight seal, and that should make the ice last a whole lot longer. So here's how we're going to do it. To affix the weather stripping seal, what we're going to do is we're going to go around all the way around the perimeter with an alcohol prep pad. That way we make sure and get any of the oil from the manufacturing process out. And that will allow it to stick a whole lot better. Okay, that looks pretty good there. So next we're going to take our weather seal. And you'll notice this particular weather seal has two components. We're going to pull it in half because we only need 1/2 of that to sit in there. Okay, and as I mentioned, this weather seal actually has a backing, and the backing is self-adhesive. So that's given some time to dry. Just going to make sure that we've gotten that dry, and it feels dry to me. And we'll start here and go all the way around the perimeter, and then we'll cut it off, and we'll see how we did. Okay, now I'm just going to press it, make sure that it goes completely around and it is stuck down as good as it can. You can see it fit really, really well in that gap. And remember, what we're trying to do is create an airtight seal between the seam here and this lip. That looks perfect to me. Okay, and so that's it. It took us about 5 minutes to get it done. We spent about $10 on the weather seal. I'll leave a link in the description below for you to pick up some of that weather seal for your own cooler. And as you can see, we've done a really good job making sure that this is as airtight as it possibly can be. And it really gives us the best chance to have ice and cool within the cooler for several days. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you again soon.